Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your pet's clothes in Heartopia. So make sure you bought it already, or you already have it. For instance, go to your watch and select pet, select this icon, and select whichever one you want to put on your pet. So there's headwear, there's also tail decor. I don't know if the diaper prevents your pets from just going anywhere, but I'm just going to choose this copter headwear. It says something else, but I can't really see that. Press save, and where's my pet? Do I need to track him? Tater, where are you? Oh, Tater. And this is what my pet looks like. Oh, Tater's so cute. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.